welcome back mga kamatlets. It's me again, Teacher Robert. So, in our previous video, we discussed about approximating measurement. So, in that video, we discussed also the history of measurement. Now, in this video, our topic is all about solving problems involving conversion of units. So, to be able to solve problems, we need to practice the skill of converting measurement from one unit to another. In our previous video, we discussed about the two systems, the metric and the English system. Okay, we have the conversion of measurements from one unit to another. We have conversion of unit is the conversion between different units of measurement for the same quantity, typically through multiplicative conversion factors. Okay, we have, what is this conversion factor? A conversion factor is a number used to change one set of units to another either by multiplying or dividing. Now, this involves the English system, which is based on a non-universal way of measuring by means of human body parts or other instrument, and also the metric system, which is based on a decimal system. So the conversion could be from the same system. It's either it is from English system to English system, metric system to metric system, and it could also be from English system to metric system and vice versa. The table of conversion is needed to convert one unit to another unit. Okay, so we have this table of conversion. So the measures we have, this is the first row, or not the first column, is what we call the English system, and this is what we call the metric, the second column. The third column is the system, the conversion of system to system. The first column is the conversion between English system, and we have the metric system, and we have the third column is the conversion of units from system to system. So from English to metric, or from metric to English. Okay? So, okay, we have this one. These are the example of, or this is the table of conversion. Okay, this is for length. This is for length. The conversion of units for length. Then this is for mass. This is the units. These are the units for mass. The ounce, the grains, pound, tons. Then we have the gram in metric, the gram, centigram, milligram, kilogram, and we have the metric ton. And we have the system to system. So from pound to gram, from ounce to gram, from pound to kilogram. Okay. And this is the table of conversion for the area. Okay. For area. So just stop the video, or the push the button, or push, just click the push. Okay, pause this video in order to familiarize, in order to you can see properly, no, the units, in order for you to familiarize. So okay, we have, this is the units of volume. So the conversion of units in volume. And this is for fluid volume. This is for time. This is for the temperature. Okay, the first column is for volume fluid, and we have in English system, and we have the unit of time in both system, and the conversion of units in system to system, from system to system. in temperature. No? Okay. So these are the metric prefixes as I've discussed in the previous video. We have the giga, so this is the meter or the base. We have the gram, meter, and liter. So we can have the prefixes if we are going to use the gram. So this is decigram, centigram, milligram, microgram, nanogram, deka, hekto, kilo, mega, gigagram. And then we can use the meter. So these prefixes can be applied or is applicable to gram, meter, and liter. Okay? We have, okay, how to convert a unit of measurement to another unit. First is to compare the two units. Second, find the conversion factor that gives the appropriate ratio to the given unit. Third is write the conversion as a fraction where the denominator is in the same unit as the given unit. Okay? So, write the multiplication problem with the original number and the fraction. Then, cancel out similar units that appears on the numerator and denominator. Then, solve. Okay? For example, for length, we are going to use the length. So, we have example 1a. So, this is from the English system. So, convert 108 inches into feet. We have, the given is 108 inches. Now, take note that in our table of conversion, 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. Correct? Now, since the given is, the unit is inches, using the unit inches, so, we are going to write the conversion as the fraction in which ang inches nandyan sa ibaba. The unit inches will be in the denominator. So that makes 1 feet over 12 inch. Why? In order to cancel the inches or the inches unit, no, the unit inch. No, kanang inches, yung inches na yan upang makancel, no, makuha natin. Mawala yan. So, paano? Kasi pag inilagay natin yung isa sa denominator, so magkakaroon ng numerator at denominator. Pareho, hindi sila magkapareho. Ang isa numerator, ang isa denominator. So, kailangan i-cancel. So, hindi naman pwedeng i-cancel kung pareho sila numerator. You cannot cancel the same units, though they are the same unit, but they are pareho sila numerator. They are in the same position. They are both numerator. Okay? Or both denominator. No? The only way to cancel those is kailangan ang isa nasa numerator at saka yung isa denominator. Okay? Magkaiba sila ng posisyon. Okay. So, ito yung nangyari. So, dahil inches yung given, gumamit ng inches ang given, so kailangan ang conversion factor natin ay, tapos yung kailangan daw natin i-convert si inches to feet. So, from inches to feet. Now, we have, maghahanap tayo dito sa conversion table. Okay, dito, merong feet at foot at saka inches. Okay, 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. So, ito yung gagamitin natin, conversion factor. So, we can have to write this one as a fraction. So, 1 feet over 12 inches. So, ito mangyayari. Write a multiplication problem with the original number and the fraction. So, we have 108 inches times 1 feet over 12 inches. Okay? So, then, cancel out similar unit that appear on the numerator and denominator. Yun ang sinasabi ko, no? As I've said, you can cancel that one, inches and inches. Because numerator ang isa denominator. So, cancel inches. We have, so ang natira, the remaining unit is feet. Okay? Then, you are going to solve. 108 times 1 is 108. Divide 12. So, 108 divide 12 is equal to 9. So, feet. Copy the units, which is feet. So, 9 feet. Ibig sabihin, si 108 inches is equivalent to 9 feet. Okay. Another example, you are going to convert 39 decimeter into millimeter. 39 decimeter into millimeter. Now, ito yon yung metric system. No? So, the given is 39 decimeter. Okay? Decimeter. Now, in our conversion, yun, table of conversion, 10, kasi walang decimeter to millimeter, no? Walang decimeter to millimeter. O ha? Pero merong millimeter to meter. Millimeter to meter. Okay. So, ito yung gagamitin natin. Dalawang conversion factor natin. Mula sa decimeter to meter, then meter to decimeter. So, meron siyang dalawang pagdadaanan na conversion factor. Okay, we have meter. So, 10 dm is equal to 1 meter. Or 10 decimeter is equal to 1 meter. Then, 1 meter is equal to 1,000 millimeter. Okay? So, ito yung gagamitin natin. So, it is very confusing, sir. Parang it's very confusing. We have 10 dm. Okay, write the conversion as a fraction kasi okay, yung problem natin is or the original number uses decimeter as unit, no? As its unit. So dm. So kailangan itong conversion factor na gumagamit ng dm, kailangan si dm nasa baba. Okay? So we'll make the decimeter into denominator para makancel natin. Cancel. So we have okay. Then kasi meter ang isa gumagamit ng meter tapos isa din, pareho sila, di ba? So sa taas yung meter isa. So kailangan ang isa namang conversion factor natin na meter to millimeter yan. So kailangan si millimeter ilagay natin sa numerator. We'll put millimeter into numerator. Okay. So we have dm, cancel si dm, then si meter cancel din kasi ang isa numerator, ang isa denominator. So ang matitira, the remaining unit is millimeter. No? Kasi yun yung target natin, millimeter. Millimeter matitira. So we have then solved 39 times 1 times 1,000, that makes 39,000 divided by 10 kasi 10 times 1 is 10, so that makes 3,900. So si 39 decimeter is equivalent to 39 or 3,900 millimeter. Okay, next is you are going to convert 18.9 miles into meter. Na 18.9 miles into meter. Okay. So, si meter, okay, si miles, i-convert natin into meter. Miles to meter. So, kung nakikita natin, as we observe in the table of conversion, walang miles to meter diretso. So, pero merong miles to kilometer, tsaka merong kilometer to meter. Okay? Kuha? Okay. So, we'll use the conversion factor. So, first, we'll use miles to kilometer. So, that makes 1 kilometer over 0.62 miles times, upang makancel sa kilometer, hanap tayo ng kilometer na may kapartner na meter. So, we have this one. 1,000 meter over 1 kilometer. Kuha? Cancel km. So, then solve. 18.9 times 1,000, that makes 18,900 over 0.62 times 1 is equal to 0.62. So, So 18,900 over 0.62 approximately, that is 30,483.87 meter. Meter na yung unit, no? Okay. We have the conversion of mass. The conversion of mass. So we have convert 7.2 pound into ounces. Ounces. We have 7.2 pound. So we have pound to ounce. We have 1 pound is equal to 16 ounce. We have, kasi pound yung ginagamit, so kailangan si pound ibababa para makancel. So 7.2 pound times 16 ounce over 1 pound. So cancel si pound. So that is 7.2 times 16 is equal to 115.2 ounce. Okay? Then sample number 2. Sample number 2 is convert 3.5 kilogram into gram. So we all know that 1 gram is equal 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 gram. So that makes 3.5 kilogram times 1,000 gram over 1 kilogram. Okay, 1 kilogram. Upang makancel si kilogram, so kailangan yung conversion of factor natin, conversion factor, if we are going to rewrite that one into fraction form, kailangan si kilogram nasa baba. Okay? So kilogram upang makancel. So kilogram, so we have cancel si kilogram, wala na si kilogram. The remaining unit now is gram. Okay. 3.5 times 1,000 is equal to 3,500 gram. Okay. Okay. We have, next is convert 11.3 gram into pound. So we have 11.3 gram. So we have 1 pounds or 1 ounce is approximately 28.3 gram. Kasi gram yung gamit yung given natin, so kailangan si gram nasa baba. Okay? So 1 ounce over 28.3 gram. Or 1 ounce is equivalent to 28.3 gram. So cancel. So ounce matitira, ounce. Ounce. Sir, pound yung ginagamit. Hanapin natin, pound. O, pound nga. So maghahanap tayo ng merong pound. Okay? So ito na. O ito, 1 pound, 16 ounce. So partner si ounce at saka pound. Okay, upang makancel si ounce, kailangan ibababa si ounce. Okay? 1 pound is equal to 16 ounce. So approximately that is 11.3 pound over 452.8. So approximately that is 0.025 pound. Okay, for example number 3, the conversion of area. So convert 1.7 arc to square yard. So okay, we have 1.7. So this is the conversion factor, 43,560 square feet, 10 times. So we have to cancel again. Yard yung kailangan makuha, yard. So ito 9 feet squared is equivalent to 1 square yard. So that is 74,052 yard or square yard over 9. So that makes 8,228 square yard. 1.7 acre or acre we have is equivalent to 8,228 square yard. Then we have convert 1.2 hectare to square meter. Okay, convert 1.2 hectare to square meter. Okay, we have 1 hectare is equal to 100. We have A. So we have A is equal to 100 meters squared. That one R. Okay. We have that one. We have 1.2 hectare. Upang makancel si hectare, kailangan nasa baba si hectare. Conversion factor natin is 1 hectare is equivalent to 100 R. So, then, upang makuha si R, kailangan magkaroon tayo ng isang conversion factor na merong R at saka square meter. So, 100 meter squared is equivalent to 1 R. So, cancel, same unit. So, matitira meter squared. So, 1.2 times 100 times 100, that makes 12,000 meter squared. So, 1.2 hectare is equivalent to 12,000 meter squared. Okay. Another is convert 3 square meter to square yard. No? Square yard. We have 3 meter squared times meter squared is square yard is 1.196. So, cancel meter yard or meter squared. So, matitira square yard. So, 3 times 1.196 square yard is approximately 3.588 square yard, which is equivalent to 3.588 square yard. Okay. So, next is conversion of volume. We have convert 2.4 cubic yard to cubic feet. No? So, 2.4 yard, so cubic yard to cubic feet. Now, we have yard to feet. So, 1 yard or 1 cubic yard is equal to 27 cubic feet. So, again, because the problem using or uses the cubic yard as its unit, so the conversion of factor must be in this form. No? Conversion factor must be in this form. So the yard or the cubic yard must be in the denominator. So why? In order for us to cancel the yard or the square or the cubic yard. So we have 2.4 times 27 is equal to 64.8 cubic feet. Okay? Next is convert 7,200 cubic centimeter to liter. Okay, 7,200 cubic centimeter to liter. No? Cubic centimeter to liter. So, we have 1 milliliter is equal to 1 cubic centimeter. Okay? Then, 1 cubic centimeter ang 1 milliliter. Now, centimeter cubic or cubic centimeter is the unit that yung gamit ng given natin. So, cubic centimeter. So, kailangan, ang conversion factor natin, ito. Ito yung forma. Kailangan si cubic centimeter na sa baba. Okay, we have 7,200 cubic centimeter times 1 milliliter over 1 cubic centimeter times 1 liter over 1,000 milliliter. Okay? Bakit? Milliliter pa. Ang hanap natin ay liter. So, cancelin natin you have to cancel milliliter. So, okay, we have to solve 7,200 times 1 times 1, that is 7,200. So, 1 times 1,000, that is 1,000. So, 7,200 over 1,000 is 7.2. The unit is liter. Okay, next is convert 5 gallons to liter. So, 5 gallons. So, we have 1 gallon is approximately 3.79 liters. 3.79, hindi 4 liter yung 1 gallon. Okay, 1 gallon is approximately 3.79 liters. So, we have 3.79 liter over 1 gallon. Cancel gallon. So, that makes 5 times 3.79. So, that is approximately 18.95 liter. So, 5 gallon is equal to or approximately 18.95 liter. Okay. Next is conversion of fluid volume. Fluid volume. Convert 3 cups to tablespoon. Uh, so we have 3 cup. So we have that one. The cup to fluid ounce. Then fluid ounce to tablespoon. Okay. So we have 8 flour ounce is equivalent to 1 cup. Then 1 flour ounce is equivalent to 2 tablespoon, or fluid ounce is equivalent to 2 tablespoon. We have 3 times cancel cup, cancel fluid ounce. So that makes 3 times 8 times 2. So we have 3 times 8 times 2 is 48. Then 1 times 1 is 1. So that is 48 tablespoon. Okay? Tablespoon. Next is the conversion of time. So, convert 1/2 month to hours. So, 0.5 month. So, we'll know that in 1 month, there are 30 days. Then, in 1 day, there are 24 hours. Okay? So, month yung gamit. So, kailangan yung conversion factor natin nasa baba yung month. Oh. So, you have to cancel month. So, days matitira. So, days, but we still need to find the hour. We still need to convert that one into hour. So, we have to find the conversion factor in which it deals with hour and day. So, we have 1 day over 24 hours. So, in order for us to cancel the day. So, cancel the day. So, we have then 1 day is over to 24 hours. That makes 0.5 times 30 times 24 is 360. The unit is hours. So, in 1 month, 1/2 month, or that is 15 days, that is 360 hours. Next is conversion of temperature from convert 60 degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. So, these are the formula in finding or converting degree Celsius to Fahrenheit, Fahrenheit to degree Celsius, or Kelvin to Celsius. Okay? Since we have to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius, we will use the formula degree Celsius is equal to 5 over 9 times the quantity degree Fahrenheit minus 32. So, by substituting the Fahrenheit, which is 60, 60 minus 32 is 28 times 5 over 9, that makes 140 over 9. So, 140 divided by 9, approximately that is 15.56. So, 60 degree Fahrenheit is approximately 15.56 degrees Celsius. Now, let's move to solving problems involving conversion of units of measure. Okay. Example number 1. There is a jar on a cabinet by the refrigerator. If Kiwana pour 114 ounces of water into the jar 3 times to fill it, how many quarts of water does it take to fill the jar? Okay. So the question is, how many quarts of water does it takes to fill the jar? Okay. If Kwana pour 114 ounces of water into the jar 3 times to fill it. So, from ounce to, the unit is ounce, and you have to convert it to quart. Take note, 114 ounces of water, but 3 times. So, that is, in solution, that is 114 times 3 is equal to 342 ounces in 3 jars. Okay? 3 jars, so 3 times. So, that is 342 ounces to quarts. So, to convert ounces to quarts, we need the following equivalent. So, this is 8 ounce is equal to 1 cup. 2 cup is equal to 1 pint. 2 pint is equal to 1 quart. So, thus, 342 ounce times 1 cup over 8 ounce times 1 pint over 2 cup times 1 quart over 2 pint is equal to 342 quart over 32, which is equivalent to 10.69 quart. So 342 ounce is equivalent to 10.69 quarts. So therefore, it takes 10.69 quarts of water to fill the 3 jars. Next is example number 2, the tamaraw. A tamaraw calf was 2 foot 5 inches long. Then fully grown, it is 3 times as long. How long is the fully grown tamaraw? So, ang baby tamaraw, mayroon siyang laking 2 feet or haba na 2 feet and 5 inch. Kapag lumaki na, magiging 3 times longer. Okay, we have 2 feet 5 inch times 3. So first, we multiply each unit by 5. So that is 2 feet uh, by no, by 3. We have 2 feet times 3 is 6 feet. 5 inch times 3 is 15 inch. So to convert 15 inch to feet, we multiply the inches by conversion factor. So, kailangan, kasi 15 inch yan, wala naman 15, 6 feet and 15 inch. So, we all know that in 1 feet, there is only 12 inches. So, we need to convert this 15 inch into feet. Then, that's the time we are going to add this one to 6 feet. So, we have 6 feet and 15 inch is equal to 6 feet plus 15 inch. 15 inch, we are going to convert only the 15 inch. So, we have times 1 foot over 12 inch. So, cancel inch. So, that is 15 times 1 is 15 divided by 12. So, that makes 15 divided 12 is that is 1 feet and plus 3 inch. Diba? Plus 3 inch. So, merong 3 inch. Isang foot, tapos 3 inch. So, 1 feet plus 6 feet is 7 feet. Plus 3 inches, so that makes 7 feet and 3 inches. So, the fully grown tamaraw has a length of 7 feet and 3 inches. Example number 3, how much water in cubic centimeter can a cubical water tank hold if it has an age of 3 meters? So, we are going to use the conversion factor. So, the volume of a cubical water tank, the formula is you are going to V over S cube or E cube. So, that is, so if the water tank or the age of the water tank is 3 meters, so we have 3 meter cube raised to the power 3, that is 27 meter cube. So 27 meter cube, we are going to convert that one into cubic centimeter. So cubic centimeter, so 27 meter cube times 1 million cubic centimeter over 1 cubic meter. So that makes 27 million cubic centimeter. Okay? So example number 4. Joel is using a bed which is 2 meter long and 1.3 meter wide. What is the size of the bed in square centimeter? So we're going to find the area of the bed. So length times width, that is 2 meter by 1.3 meter. So that is 2.6 meter squared. So the area is 2.6 meter squared. Now, meter squared to square centimeter. We are going to convert that one from square meter to square centimeter. Okay. So that is the conversion factor. It's 100 decimeter squared over 1 square meter times 100 square centimeter over 1 square decimeter, which is equivalent to 26,000 square centimeter. Okay, that's all. Thank you. So thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video. Have a good day, everyone. Keep safe always. Bye-bye.